The last one a little bit tough is no. Okay, nice and tight. And let me double check the two more. This is the last one. Almost done it. And you need to double check all the bolt and nut. Okay, make sure it's nice and tight. And after we use the brake cleaner, clean up all, you know, on the surface, on the side, make sure nice and clean. Then we start the engines up and let's see. It's a very important, you know, double check again and again what you did it. Sometimes you say, oh, I already did it, but you forgot it. No one perfect, okay? So it's all set now. Let me clean up. Oil cooler line. Cleaning it nice and clean, and then start the engine. Let's see. Lá này mình tích được maintain. Bật tích chứ. Bật tích chứ, bật năm chiên tầm ban phân bảy. Bật sáng á, bật chữ nó sửa đấy. Okay, you see guys, nice and clean, nice and clean. It's not done yet. We're gonna start the engine and let's see. Make sure no oil, you know, leaking on the cooler that side and other side. Very important to check it. Okay. It's nice and clean now. I'm gonna plug this one a little bit. I don't want to get a check engine light on when I turn on the key. So you see the bracket in here, we just put in temporary, okay? We don't tie up, we don't do anything yet, because when I turn on the key, you're gonna see the check engine light on for it. So just plug it in and let me go up and start the engine and let's see. It's almost done guys, so let me step on the car and start it. Oh, lucky guy, you know, the customer said she have a remote start. Remote low, right? Okay, start it. Okay. Engine start soon. There you go. Double check it, guys. Make sure no leaking, okay? Just keep the car run a couple of minutes and let's see. Smooth now for me, no leaking. Okay, it's all set guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you.